I can tell you this, airplanes fly straight and level. That's even an aviation term, straight and level. Airplanes will fly for hours at the same altitude, never dipping their nose down to follow the curve of the Earth. An aircraft on a 12-hour or even 18-hour flight from Portland, Oregon to Seoul, Korea, that would have that aircraft starting at one point and then flying so far around the Earth that it's flying downwards with its nose vertically downwards, and then starting to go around the curve of the Earth so that the airplane is now flying upside down. Would have to make that kind of a flight path on a globe, which is, it's such an absurdity. So that being said, I come into the true shape of the Earth.
Things that make you go, 1 point towards NASA being a bit deceptive. Let's move on to what the astronauts saw in space, because there seems to be some disagreement between them.
When you looked up at the sky, could you actually see the stars and the solar corona in spite of the glare?
We were never able to see stars from the lunar surface or on the daylight side of the moon.
Are stars visible in space? The Apollo astronauts didn't see any.
I don't recall during the period of time that we were photographing the solar corona what stars we could see. I don't remember seeing any.
Just look at how Neil Armstrong reacts to Michael Collins when he, out of hand, answers the question about stars.
I don't remember seeing any.
The entire duration of the moon landing, he was in the spacecraft above, but he doesn't remember seeing any stars.
I don't remember seeing any.
But those on the ISS somehow did.
From Mark Cameron. This is from Mark Cameron.
Whilst in space, have you ever looked away from Earth into the black void?
Yeah. So because you can see, because you can see the stars.
Oh yeah.
You know, and pretty much all the time you can see the stars.
The sky is deep black when viewed from the moon, as it is when viewed from cislunar space, the space between the Earth and the moon. The Earth is the only visible object other than the sun that can be seen.
Space, and you're on the sun side of the orbit. The sunlight washes out all the starlight, so you can't see any stars, just like here on Earth.
There were none filmed in the spacewalks. Yet we are told by others they are very much visible, even in the light of the sun.
There's all the stars there, and the cool thing is about it, you can see it during the day.
Yeah, you can, and there's more than stars. You can see planets. You can see moons.
You see the gas